This is the Blue Heron, and it's by the Force One, and it's a really pretty drone. But I'm going to be opening it up and showing it to you. So there's a non-satisfied note letter, and there's a user manual and directions. Here's the beauty. It's the drone. It's a really pretty one. It comes with extra propellers. It comes with it comes with 4, so you get 2 rounds with it probably, if you crash it. There's everything you need it to put together, like the little screwdriver, the plug-in, the wrench. Here's the controller. It's kind of like a normal one that you might play with an Xbox, but it has an on and off and some sensors. And your phone can hold up, so it's the camera. Here's the little, it's kind of like a GoPro, but it looks like a mini camera, basically. That's what a GoPro is.
Legs, landing gear.
It's the legs for the landing gear. Presume they come out. And here are the 2 batteries. And that's basically it. And I'll show you guys it one more time. It has a warning sign on it, and it has the on button, and it just says a bunch of warning stuff on it. Basically, I'm done.